Hey everybody, it's Big Daddy with a short video for YouTube, for my new YouTube page. I want to start doing shorter bits online, and this is one I've been wanting to do. So, folks, this isn't going to take you long, less than 20 minutes, maybe even less than that. What's up, Keith St. Clair? How you doing? Number 32 Speed Racer is in the chat, huh? What's everybody doing on a Friday afternoon, August the 10th? Why did I think it was August the 8th? I think I was looking at the wrong calendar. Anyway, Keith, if you're here, are you racing tonight? Are you actually going to be racing at 8 o'clock tonight? Is that tonight? Let us know in the chat below. Real quick, last night's show, we covered Space Force. We were kind of just discussing whether or not it's a good thing. We were discussing homelessness in America and the sadness behind all that, and also homeless veterans. So if you haven't had a chance to check that show out, pretty good feedback in the chat with that one, and I'm greatly appreciative, as I am for the appreciation of you guys shipping people over to the website, BigDaddyRoadshow.com. Steve, what's going on? How are you? Good to see you. Please share this show. Do it right now. Hit the likes and share. Appreciate it. But this little short is for, well, it's actually for me. I want to know your tips and tricks for using the internet for information, because it gets frustrating. Let's get rid of Trump and the sad homeless situation. This is this is when you have questions. You go to the internet, and first question is what search engine do you use? I use one called DuckDuckGo, I think it's called. Now, I thought I had a graphic for DuckDuckGo. Something's up with my graphics. Let me see 1 second. I got to see if I can get this one. Yeah, here's the graphic. Here's the one I use, DuckDuckGo. Now, somebody told me that DuckDuckGo doesn't track you. And my 14-year-old daughter says, everybody tracks you, Dad. Everybody tracks you. So the internet's tracking you. And you know how that goes. What's up, Bill? How are you? We're talking about finding the best information the fastest way possible. I'm a little frustrated. I've been searching for some different things for the show. And here's my first beef. And by the way, this show will last less than 20 minutes. We're going to be on and off, so don't sweat this. I go into search, and what's coming up all the time anymore is sponsored ads, or ads that aren't sponsored, but kind of like still filter you into something where they want your email. And hey, more power to everybody. They're doing their thing out there. There's sponsored ads and everything. But where are you getting your information from? If you could share it with me. And thanks, Bill, and thanks, Steve, for sharing the video. I appreciate that. This is a quick short on finding the best information. I'm asking you guys, what do you use? What service do you use? Google, Bing, Yahoo. Again, I was turned on to DuckDuckGo. I do use Google at times, but it gets tiring when you type in something in Google and then everything else that you work with, whether it's your cell phone or whatever, starts putting up all these things that they think you want. Firefox. Yeah, I used to use Firefox too. Is Firefox Yahoo? That's a good, that's interesting. See why these graphics aren't working. Guys, I'm going to have to hold on 1 second. I'm going to reboot the show just because this is important to me. I want to try and find out what you guys are doing and what tricks and tips you guys use to find the best information online. I'll be right back. We're going to reboot the show. I'll be back in seconds. Stand by. Okay, thanks, guys. Sorry about that delay. Okay, so Bill, you use what are you using? Google or DuckDuck? Okay, and Steve uses Google. Okay, Firefox or Google. Now, Firefox, is that a standalone search engine or is that part of Yahoo? I don't know. This is why I'm doing this. I have all these questions, and I'm kind of getting annoyed with all the sponsored ads. By the way, this is the Big Daddy Roadshow. This is the first of many shorts. This is going to be just short and sweet. We're building up our new YouTube page. And yeah, it seems like it's harder and harder to find the really good information out there. So you're sitting at your desk and you got your fingers on the keyboard and you want to go around the World Wide Web and you want to find the best information and you want those robots to scatter around and find you this information. This is going to seem weird, but I thought that maybe we should have, instead of a space force like we talked about on the show last night, would it be ridiculous to have the US government create an agency for quality information without all the, I don't know, but then that sounds like Big Brother is watching your information. Does it just come down to putting the time in, grinding out the information, sifting through the trash? Because basically I'm finding a lot of trash and it's probably blowing about an hour's worth of my day. So maybe I'm just pissing up a stream here and there's no answer for me here. But I have to ask. I wanted to ask you guys, how do you guys get your information? What do you find are the best sources of the information and to get it faster? Without all the fluff, without all the sponsored ads, and I don't know. We're talking getting quality information. That's what I'm looking for. How are you getting it? And that's what I'm going to ask you to type down in the chat below. Especially if you are a guru at this. If you know, I'll tell you what inspired this. I saw a post where somebody said, all my friends, I'm paraphrasing here, said, all my friends think I'm really good at fixing computers. But really, I'm just better at using Google. And I'm thinking, wait a second, there could be some truth to that. Matthew Ott, if you end up watching this, who are some of my science tech people? What are we doing wrong? Man, I waste a lot of time looking through a lot of crap. And I'm trying to put this puzzle together. Cue the puzzle graphic, Big Daddy. Where's the puzzle graphic? Yeah, this is what I like to do. I like to work efficiently, and lately my searches are just coming up. Ugh. So what tricks and tips do you have when you're searching the internet and looking for that info? Share it with Big Daddy, please. And by sharing it with me, you're sharing it with everybody else too. So let's see. Let's go to the chat. Steve, you doing good, bud? Google, huh? Or Google. Let's see. Bill Ivanko said, Bill, you say you got a little bit here for me to read. He says, I try and start with the basic search. Then as I get into it, I narrow it down to just 1 or 2 words. No kidding. Now that's interesting. I always try to put in more words, but you try to narrow it down. Hey, Keith, what's happening? So you narrow it down. So you start with a wider search and you narrow it down. Is that what you're doing? Sometimes words that don't have sometimes using words that don't seem to have anything to do with what I originally searched for, but somehow you end up finding it. Okay, so is that what it is? I'm just a lazy, and it's like I don't want to be like the research guy. I don't know. Like here's an interesting graphic I found. Here it is. Now I don't know if I can read it because again I need new bifocals, but it's basically talking about Venus being the twin of Earth. Now I don't know anything about Venus. I'm not going to lie to you, but it says things like. There was many volcanoes on Venus. Venus basically is similar to Earth. That came up on an internet search that I wasn't even looking for. But how would we know? I don't know. How do you know? I mean, they said it on the internet, right? So it has to be true, right? Yeah. So this is what this little short is all about. I'm not going to be here long, so keep the chat coming. Try to keep the chat short and sweet. We'll get you on the screen. I appreciate your time. And if you could share your tips and tricks below. This will be on YouTube, on the new YouTube channel. Please subscribe to that. This is always, all videos end up on the Big Daddy Roadshow website. But I want to try and share information better. You know, of course, continue to do the wild talk shows, all the crazy topics we cover, interesting topics and stuff. But this one here is about just working the internet, and what are your tips and tricks to find the best information. What website are you using? You know, okay, you're going down the track. Okay, cool. Number 32 Speed Racer. We were looking for you last night, Keith. I guess you were busy with the wrenches, but yeah, as long as it don't rain, buddy, I'm thinking I'm trying to drag my daughter out to the track. So I'll be down there. I don't know if I need a hot pit pass but like I said, I'm not really with my back. I'm not going to be able to, you know, don't expect me to change engines or anything. Good luck out there, by the way. But as long as it's not raining, I'm gonna get the hell out of here. Go down and see some racing with number 32 Speed Racer, who is not racing with the 32 car. But anyway, quickly, let's get back to the topic. Say you're searching for making money online. You know, lately I've been looking for ways to make money from home because of my back situation. There's really nothing, at least not that I can find. So if you guys have tips and information on that, I'm all ears. What else? You know, whatever you're searching, what have you found is the best way to get through the gears of the internet and find what you're looking for? I mean, God knows there's just, can't even comprehend all the information that's out there. But that's what this short's all about. Sharing information, getting the right info. How do you get it? And more importantly, how do you trust it? How do you get that quality info? This is hopefully what you guys are going to help me put together. You know, if you're searching for a good beer or the best, you know, I was listening to a podcast yesterday. They were talking about the new, I think it's a Galaxy 9, $1,000 cell phone, incredible storage. You know, they better have incredible storage for $1,000. But yeah, let's see. Looks like Bill's traveling to Jersey. Interesting. I hope you're not texting while you're driving. Maybe you're doing voice to text. So yeah, we're talking about finding really useful info. And lastly, and more importantly to me, where are you getting your news from? Where are you getting that quality news? Just wanted to add that at the end. Who do you trust? Where do you go? What sources? It's a crazy world. I hate to be reporting the wrong things on the Big Daddy Roadshow. So that's it. That's what this short's all about. What's your favorite search engine and why? Please share below. Speaking of sharing, please share the Big Daddy Roadshow. If you have tips and tricks, share your tips and tricks. You know, like Bill was alluding to, you start with a wide search. Do you hone it down? You whip your thesaurus out and try to find different words. But more importantly, getting through and sifting through the trash, the sponsored ads. I mean, if I even Facebook is getting crazy with the sponsored ads. Everything's scrolling by as some guy or some woman who's got the magic plan. But the magic plan can't be all that magical because they want hundreds of dollars for the magic plan. I think their magic plan is separating your cash from your wallet. And I hate to be so cynical, but it's like, am I wrong? Let me know in the chat. So this is Big Daddy. This is a short. That's what it's all about, finding the best information. I want the best information for the Big Daddy Roadshow, so if you can help me out, any of my internet and tech friends, maybe you come live and we'll talk about it on a show. Okay, this is the first of many, hopefully, shorts, Big Daddy Roadshow shorts. I appreciate it. I would definitely appreciate you being involved. You're all my friends are out there all around the world. So this is Big Daddy asking you for some help finding some news and quality information and the best info. And yeah, if you have any more questions, BigDaddyRoadshow.com. Help me out. When you hit the keys and you're searching the World Wide Web, What's your tricks? Help me put the puzzle together. And as always, I ask you to share the show. If you're up on Patreon, look me up on Patreon. And if you wouldn't mind supporting the show with $1 pledge a month, that would be great too. This is Big Daddy of the Big Daddy Roadshow podcast. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to hear your replies. I'll talk to you next time. Peace.